Happy holidays from VOC AI!
Since it's holiday season, we've prepared a free gift for all of you watching. Starting today, VOC AI is introducing a free subscription plan with all of the basic features to get you started. Introducing the Light plan. No, you don't have to give us your credit card. It's completely free for you to enjoy. Let me walk you through it. Once you sign up and create a free account on VOC AI, you'll get a taste of some of the most useful features that VOC offers. Starting with the famous review analysis tool. Here, you can type in your hero keyword or copy-paste your ASIN to perform a review analysis on an individual product. The AI will analyze all the customer reviews for this product from the past 6 months and present them to you in a beautiful summary report. For example, I analyzed the best-selling product for the search term Christmas tree on Amazon. And here are a couple of really interesting points that the AI found for me. Number 1 is usage scenarios. This tree is primarily bought for apartments rather than houses. The AI summarized small space decoration as one of the key usage scenarios. This shows that customers living in apartments with limited space really appreciate this product. When I think of a Christmas tree, I typically picture it in the living room of a house. However, this product clearly appeals more to apartment owners. This insight could inspire some great lifestyle images or bullet points for the listing to highlight to future buyers with text such as great for small spaces and apartments. Number 2, negative reviews. The main reason for negative reviews for this product is the branches. 30% of negative reviews complained about the branches, that they arrived either damaged or twisted, or there were gaps between the branches when the tree is hung up. This calls for a perfect opportunity to improve the product design for the next inventory order. If I were the seller, I would ask the manufacturer to tweak the product so that there are more fine branches to eliminate the gaps and to make them sturdier. This would help prevent future negative reviews about the same issue. That's just a sneak peek of the review analysis tool. With the Light plan, you can analyze one ASIN at a time for free using 20 credits. I will go over how the credit system works at the end of this video, so don't click away. If you're a new seller entering into a niche and you want an overview of the entire market, you'll want to analyze multiple ASINs at once and to access reviews from the past 2 years rather than just the past 6 months. In that case, you'll want to upgrade to the Pro plan, which allows you to analyze up to 100 ASINs simultaneously using reviews from the past 2 years. Some sellers might try to copy and paste all of their reviews into ChatGPT, but that's just not possible when it comes to dog-paged products. What are dog-paged products? These are listings with so many reviews that they span multiple pages. Since Amazon is now limiting the number of review pages that you can view and access, Shulex VOC review analysis tool is the only way for you to perform a comprehensive analysis because of our massive review base. Since we don't have enough time in this video to cover all of these free tools in the Light plan, I'm going to skip over the AI listing and go straight to the negative review removal tool, which has gained a lot of attention recently. For the free Light plan, we've given you full access to this tool with no restrictions. It's exactly the same as the Pro plan. This tool helps you to identify those negative reviews that can actually be removed from your listing because they violate Amazon's terms of service. Simply paste the ASIN, click on AI analysis, and VOC AI will generate a full list of reviews that are eligible for removal. The AI is trained on Amazon's policies and will automatically flag any reviews that are unrelated to the product. This can include shipping and fulfillment issues or reviews that are meant for seller feedback. In this case, all of these reviews were compliant, so there's nothing to remove. But even this saves you hours of manual work that you would have spent looking through all of the reviews, cross-checking them with Amazon's policies just to find nothing. Now let's talk about the credit system. You are awarded 300 credits as soon as you sign up. We've given you the opportunity to earn more credits in several ways. Simply referring a friend can give you 300 free credits. Or you can purchase credits depending on your needs. You can use these credits to perform an AI review analysis, or to build your Amazon listing with AI, or to identify negative reviews that can be removed. We have made it totally free for you to use and very flexible if you want to upgrade for more access. I really encourage you to take advantage of this free version of VOC AI and let us know your feedback about the Light plan using this feedback button right here. Merry Christmas and happy selling!